So today we will be presenting Visual Basic Programming Project 1. My group members are Pavitran, Thinesh, Vigna and Rishandan. First, I'll explain how to create, compile and execute simple Windows form. As you can see, this is the creating button. We open the Visual Basic app and then we go to how to create a new project. This is the example. And then choose create a new project and the Windows app.NET framework as the template you can see as here. Next, how to compile. Adapt the form to the question provided by add controls to your form using the Visual Studio Designer, such as buttons, text boxes, label, and more. To execute a program, we need to enter a perfect code. And this is the form 1, and this is our coding. It will go to the next form. How to execute. Once the code has been entered, click the Start button to launch the application. We may choose the features on the form once the software has finished running. And you can see the Start button here. And when you press the new order, you go to the next form. Next.
All right, to determine the properties of object control, first for cake, we name it as label cake. Second one, we name it as picture box choco cake. And the third one, we name it as a radio button choco cake. For pastry, it is named as label pastry. The second one is labeled as public picture box muffin. The third one is named as radio button muffin. For bread, it is named as label bread. The next one is named as picture box croissant, and the third one is named as radio button croissant. For the vanilla cake, it is named as picture box vanilla cake and also radio button vanilla cake. Next. For baguette, it is named as a picture box baguette and also radio button baguette. For tart, it is named as picture box tart and radio button tart. For the back button, it is named as button back. And for the checkout button, it is named as checkout button checkout. Next.
The third one, explain the usage of menus and submenus. A group of commands are arranged and shown using menus. When a user click on a menu item, nested menus known as a submenu are displayed. They make it possible to provide instruction in more structured manner. These are examples.
So for the fourth one is explain the usage of dialog boxes. Dialog boxes are used to collect user input from options provided by us. For instance, in this image, we have added a theme color allowing the user to select their preferred color. Next one, please. Okay, so the fifth one is explain the usage of message box and input box. Users can provide their personal information in the message box and input box. As seen in the form request example, enter your full name, input your contact information. So the fifth one is demonstrate the flow of the program that has been built starting from entering input to displaying output. Now I'll be presenting it in Visual Basic way from the first to the last.
As the first step, we have to go to orders, press orders, then press new order, and then press takeaway to go to form 2.
Form 2 is order selection. User have to input what product they need. For example, vanilla cake, croissant, and that. The back button is goes to form 1. The checkout button is goes to form 3.
So the third form is about customer name, which for the order details. And the second one is for the customer's contact number. And the third one is the date where they need their specific order. And as you can see, there's a customize your box as you desire text there. This is for their own customization for the box. So by pressing confirm, customer can go to form 4 and customers can also customize their own color and the font which they want.
So this is the output of what you get, and when the customer chose the thing, and the customer name. So this is the output that you get. When customer puts their name, it gets the name, number, and the date, and the font and color. The choices that they take: vanilla cake, croissant, and tart. When you input the message, this is the message box, and the input goes in there. That's it.